Open your eyes, let's see what's behind. So far I've missed all the signs. Right or wrong, is it worth the fight? It just feels like we never tried hard enough. When we're side by side, we could talk this through all night. If we got time, no, am I enough to be in your life? You can tell me, you can decide. Tell me now, who are you? Who are you? I wished I knew what's been on your mind. It's hard to read your blinding lights. Over time I lost my sight. Did you lie? Did you ever try hard enough to be by my side? We could talk this through all night. If we got time, no, was I enough to be in your life? You can't tell me, you can't decide. Tell me now, who are you?